Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hair, makeup. This long ass fucking ponytail. Damn. This shit at my fucking butt crack. Damn!
Hey, what you watching?
Hey YouTube, it's Alana, aka Krista Kisses, and yes, I am back with another freaking video. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, come on, bro, come on, you guys already fucking know. You guys already know that I had to be back with another freaking banger, okay? And I'm not even gonna lie, I do have some news to tell you guys, so I ain't gonna lie, you guys gonna have to buckle up for this one, because, you know, this is some real shit that's about to go down. I'm not even gonna lie, you know, it's on gang, it's on site. It's just, it has to be said, okay? So today I am collaborating with a company called Ttdeye. Shit. Listen, I am in love with this company, okay? Like, dead ass. And I know you guys are probably wondering, like, what is Ttdeye? Like, what is that? So Ttdeye is literally a color contact company that sells color contacts in all different colors, yo. And when I mean by all different colors, I mean by all different themes. You know, they got the natural, they got the supernatural, because, you know, Halloween is right around the corner. Let's talk about it. We gotta talk about it. I ain't even gonna lie. But yeah, they have so much different color contacts. So y'all would definitely need to check out this website, okay? I am in collaboration with them, and they did send me over 4 different color contacts. So I do want to show you guys the color contacts that I picked out, of course, and all that. So yeah, this shit is so fucking lit. And again, thank you Ttdeye for collaborating with me. And shit, we gotta get into this shit. I'm not even gonna lie, cause look, you know, your girl's buckled up with this stuff. Like I have been a consistent customer with Ttdeye for like, I think like a year and a half or something. I don't know. I just always been obsessed with their color contacts. They look so good. They're comfortable, affordable, and you don't have to go to no damn doctor for some prescription. I can do it myself. You know what I'm saying? So hold on. Hey, you know, I'm plugging y'all in. Hold on. Ah. All right, so yeah, let's just jump right into this video, yo. But yeah, also with all the color contacts I'm gonna be showing you guys is all gonna be in the link in the description box below. So yeah, it's gonna have, like, you know, the names, the links, and also, you know, I'm gonna leave it to the end of the video, the little surprise. I'm gonna leave it to the end of the video. So yeah, let's just get straight into this video because I'm so excited. So let's go. Okay, y'all, so this is literally how my package looked when I first received it. I'm gonna go over all the individual items. I just want to show you exactly how it looked when I got the box. But it comes with contact cases to help, of course, hold your contacts. It does come with like a hand mirror, so say if you're out in public, you can easily slip your contact lenses on if you don't feel like going to the bathroom or something. I don't know, just depends on you. And then, of course, it comes with some glitter, so, you know, you can switch up your makeup look or put on your fingernail, whichever. And then, of course, it comes with the contacts. And then also in the case, you'll notice it has the color contact case, and it also comes with tools. So the tools are actually, hold on. You guys know, this is some YouTuber stuff. Yeah, so this is the product, and and they do the hand thing. So yeah, so it actually comes with this tool where it'll actually help you pull out the color contact, or you can use this to help you place in your eye. And I'm not even gonna lie, I'm an OG when it comes to these color contacts. Like, I love switching it up, having a different look, you know, being sexy, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, can't nobody tell me shit, you know? So yeah, I like switching it up and all that. So yeah, guys. So, oh my god, I'm so excited. And then also, you'll notice in the box, it also comes with a pack of glitter. The glitter, oh, excuse me, I have like stuff on my hand. But with the glitter, you can honestly put this like on your nails or like honestly on your eyes or, you know, for like a makeup look or in the inner corner of your eye. It all depends, you know what I'm saying? But I'ma definitely fuck around with these glitter and shit. You guys don't even have to tell me, okay? So yeah. And then also, you will also notice that it comes with like a little hand mirror and stuff. So yeah, it has like the logo. That shit, that's badass. The third eye, that's what's up. I fuck with that. That's all that's really included with the box. Of course, you can like get certain tools or whatever. You can just look on the website, which will be in the link down in the description. Again, don't be afraid to check it out. We're gonna go ahead and just jump right into like all the different color contacts. And I'm so excited, like this. Like, yo, y'all don't understand, man. Shit, I can freaking jump and stuff. Like, I ain't even go, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's exactly how I feel right now. I'm like, I am turned. I am turned. Okay, guys, so right now, the first color that I have in, which is the sunflower brown. This is exactly what it looks like. And y'all, what I mean by I am like obsessed, like I am obsessed with this color. Like, I just like the natural looks, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's all good to like, you know, like, I don't know, I guess it depends on the season. Like, cause I do like the brown, the green, you know, sometimes like a little gentle blue, but I like the most like natural, you know, looking color. So I'm not even gonna lie, the colors that I picked out are all like natural color, except for one, which is gonna be, it's gonna be saved for the last, okay? The best is for last, okay? So that's what I don't know, that's what I want, but I still want my eyes to like pop, you know what I'm saying? So I can like, you know, I can hypnotize, you know what I'm saying? Cause hold on, look, hold on, I might be a little dangerous, hold on. Ah, let me stop. But yeah, okay, so the next one that I'm actually wearing is called Juice Blue. And this is what the package looks like. This is the back. So yeah, this is actually Juice Blue. It's literally in one of my eyes. Completely comfortable, but I do want to attempt to try using the tool so you guys can see how to like put it in and stuff. I mean, what could be wrong with that? You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure it shouldn't be that hard. Don't be afraid. So we're gonna get the contact, we're gonna have it like this. Do not drop that shit, cause then your eye's gonna be pink. But yeah, I'm gonna open your eye. Oh, let me get that tear. You ain't about to fuck up my eye. Oh shit, the tear. I promise I'm not crying. And big girls don't cry. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. So yeah, once you wipe off that tear, I'm so happy I got it in. That's so lit. I'm not even gonna lie. That's, you know what I'm saying? Savage mode. Guys, this is Juice Blue and it's so comfortable. I actually love this look. So, I don't know. I feel like this is like a good color to get. Like if, you know, if you're doing like a photo shoot and, you know, like it's like a headshot and you want to like look up and you want to like, you know, look at them. Cause I don't know. I just like the sun. It will just shine bright. Like, you know, like shine bright like a diamond. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is how they look. They're completely comfortable. Okay, so this is also the next one. So this is how it looks with the contact in, and it's called Rio Brown. Yo, I love this. It's like a greenish, like brown, like, you know, type of look. And you blink. And that's how you do it. Okay, so this is like the Rio Brown with like both of my eyes. I like it. I like it because look, I could sit all the way back here and you'll see my eye. You'll notice my eye color. I'm not gonna lie, it's giving me like this type of vibe. Here, I'm gonna show you guys. Exactly like the type of look it's giving me. It's giving me like alien super fucking star, okay? Cause look, I got it. Okay, so we're on to the final contact, and yo, I think this one is gonna be it, y'all. This is gonna be it. y'all, this is the Vampire Red, and yo, I am obsessed with these. Cause you know, Halloween is right around the corner, so I was like, man, let me cop some Halloween themed contacts. Like, yo, look at these. Like, these look so fucking badass. Literally, this is the box right here that it comes in, and it's called Vampire Red. But yo, that type of clip is the type of vibes this shit gives me. Just horror, blood, the exorcism, like the scary shit, okay? The legit shit. So yo, you guys definitely need to check out these color contacts, like, down below. There's no ifs, ands, or no buts. Like, you gotta go check that shit out. Like, come on, don't play with yourself, okay? But yeah, y'all, that's it for today's video. Thank you again, Ttdeye, for sponsoring and collabing with this video. Like, ah! So yeah, y'all, thank you guys so freaking much. And also, you guys are gonna be able to get a 10% off with your first purchase if you guys click the link in the description box. Make sure you type in Kristaa1, which is with one A and a number 1. So Kristaa1, and you'll get a 10% off with your first purchase. Thank you again so much for watching this video. Go ahead and like, share, and of course, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button down below. Don't be afraid and join the Kristaa Killaa gang, because you guys already know I'm gonna be back with another banger video. So without further ado, give me a Kristaa kiss. I know you guys don't even want to give me a kiss because I do look really crazy. Like, I look like I will hunt you in your sleep. But yeah, give me a kiss. Mwah.